Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can install or connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do guys first is you want to log in into your own Shopify store. That's the first step. Now after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on settings, as you can see here guys at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now what you guys need to do, you want to search for TikTok. Okay, after guys you search for TikTok, as you can see this is the app that you need to download. It's called TikTok. Now that's exactly how we can connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify. Now some people, they will not be able to download TikTok because they live in a country where TikTok is not supported. Shopify doesn't support TikTok in some countries. Now for example, I'm going to log into my another Shopify store. Now I'm going to search for TikTok, as you can see here guys, and as you can see, when I click on TikTok, you can see this message: this app is not compatible with your store. Now some people will have this problem. Now to fix this problem, you just need to change the country. Okay, change the country on your Shopify store to the country where TikTok is supported, which is United States. TikTok is supported by Shopify. Now click on settings at the very bottom left, click on general, and then you want to click here, change the country to United States, and then you will be able to download TikTok. Now and then go back and change it to your original country. Alright, now after that you want to click on settings after you change the country. That's if you have this problem. Okay, click on apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store, and you want to download TikTok like I said. Okay, now click on TikTok here, click on install. Alright, now after guys you click on install, what you guys need to do next, you want to click again on install. After you click on install, you want to click here where it says TikTok. As you can see, it says here TikTok's channel overview. Now what you guys need to do, there are a lot of benefits when you install TikTok Pixel on your Shopify. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says setup. Okay, now you wanna connect TikTok for business, connect TikTok for business. Now if you don't have TikTok for business, you wanna go to Google and search for TikTok for business, and you need to create an account. Okay, that's the first step. Click on get started, and you want to enter the information. I already have TikTok for business. You want to enter the information there, everything they ask you. As you can see here guys, the email address. You can also create an account using your Google. Now you want to click on connect, and then click on connect. That's exactly how you can connect TikTok for business to your Shopify. Alright, now here it says TikTok Business Center. You want to click on connect, and then here TikTok Ads Manager, you want to click on connect again. And data sharing, it's not allowing me because it's the TikTok Ads Manager is not because I already connected it to another Shopify store. Now that's the reason why it says here disabled. Now what you need to do, you want to click here, it says data sharing, and click on connect. Okay, data sharing, where you can install TikTok Pixel on Shopify, and then hit company information. Just enter your company information, and after that you want to click on finish setup. Okay, now for people who live outside of the US, this is going to be a little bit harder. Maybe they are going to ask you for your address, and you have to give them the USA address. Now like I said, after you change the country, after you download the app, you want to change it back to your original country. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Click the video in the screen if you want to learn the benefits of TikTok TikTok Pixel on Shopify. Just click the video in the screen and everything will be explained in the video. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.